Ideas are everything. We're nothing without an idea. So I go where the ideas lead. When we get an idea that we love, you see it and feel it and know it all at once. A desire for an idea is like putting a little piece of bait on a hook and lowering it into the water. You don't know when they're going to come or what will trigger them. Lo and behold, on a lucky day, bingo, you'll catch an idea and party time. If you want to make a feature-length film, all you need to do is get 70 ideas. And you write these scenes on 3x5 cards. And when you have 70 of them, you've got a feature film. Find your own voice. Never give up final cut and total creative freedom. Everything is connected in some way or another. You could be working on a painting and suddenly something in that gives you an idea for a film. Music, painting, cinema, this is the art life. In cinema, I don't like rules. In Mulholland Drive, we only had one shot left to get.
How did you get it?
By breaking the rules. My name is David Lynch, and this is my masterclass.